How to create a Google Ads account. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up and use Google Ads and how you can create your account. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So here, as you can see, I'm on the website. It's now changed to business.google.com, and here you can get started with Google Ads. Over here you can see it says right here, and here, pretty simple. You actually don't really need to create an account. You can just simply use your Google account. It'll automatically set everything up. It'll just ask you a few questions, and I'll just show you in a sec. So let's go ahead and get started. So we can click on start now over here or start now over here. Wherever you click, it'll take you to the Google Ads section. It'll take you to ads.google.com, and you can get started with your campaign. So as you can see, I already have an account set up. You can see right here, pretty simple, nothing too crazy, but I'll show you how you can create a new one. This is like their new section, right? My account isn't active and aren't running, and the account has been canceled. All right, so we can reactivate it later. But here you can see right here, it cannot show any ads, but that's fine. We'll click on create, and here is your option. Here is your campaign, asset groups, and conversions, and everything else, right? You can get started by creating a new campaign. All right, let me fix my settings. So here I have a few options. So account status, the account is canceled. Ads in this account are running. So reactivate my account. Need to do this before we get started. So I'll just do that. And I'll actually create a new one as well. Over here, you can want to create a new Google account. Let's go ahead and create one so that you can see how you can set it up. We'll come back to this one later on. I already fixed the problem. So when you first create a new Google Ads account, right, this is how it's going to look like. So first things first, you have to create your campaign in a few steps, right? You're basically creating a whole campaign, right? You got to add your business info, creating your ads, and setting your budget, and that's going to create your whole campaign, right? So just simply click on create your first campaign over here and tell us what's your business name. And I'll also do this in another Google account so that you guys can see it. And I've just switched it, and it told me that I didn't have it, so it gave me the option to create a new account. And you can see, if you go ahead and set up your Google Ads account, you click on create account, this is the thing that's going to appear over here. So you can see right here, all you got to do is click on create your first campaign, and your account will be created, and then you should be good to go. All right, coming back over here, you can see I already created it. Boom, it's done. So first things first, tell us about your business. Just add your business name over here, and you should be good to go. And where do people go after clicking your ad? Over here, you can go ahead and add your website. And if you don't have a website, you could go ahead and add your business phone number. If you don't have that, you can set your app or download page. It's all simple as that. I'm going to select website, and I'm going to go ahead and add a website over here as well. So I have this website, right? I have this domain, and I'm going to go ahead and attach it to this website as well, so that we can go ahead and add this to our ads account, and then we can run ads, right? So I already have the domain. I'm going to click on domain, and I'm going to paste the domain name over here like that. Get rid of the HTTP like that and like that. That looks good. Click on next, and this is your Google, domain or DNS record. So first we need to go ahead and add the DNS. So create a new CNAME entry. Under the CNAME value, enter the www. So we're going to come back over to our domain DNS record. We're going to go with CNAME. We're going to go with www, and then in CNAME destination, we're going to add this website. This is it. We'll keep that as it is and click on save. And note, your domain edges might require full stop, but save changes, come back to this tab and click on done. All right, so we're going to save this. And once it's saved, record is invalid. Well, that's weird. Under CNAME value or alias, enter www. In CNAME destination, add this domain link. Okay, maybe that's why there was a space. So then we can click on save. All right, so the domain has been added. Now we can click on done. It's going to go ahead and assign the domain. Boom. Custom domain has been assigned. Now it will take a couple of minutes, sometimes like an hour or so, for the website to be done. So now we can just simply hit the publish button. We already have this right here. Allow up to 48 hours for this site to also be viewed at Zong. So it'll take some time. So for now, we'll just go with portfolio, and then we'll click on whatever name we come up with and click on publish, because that's what we want. So now that the site has been published, we can go ahead and view it as well, right? View published site. This is it. We'll just copy the link and see if it works or not. So here I'll go ahead and add it over here, and here I'll just go ahead. Zonk, that's the name. Boom. Then click on next. It's gonna go ahead and link Google Ads over here, since this is my profile. This is the Google Merchant Center where we have our stores. You can go ahead and create one as well. I don't really have one, so we'll go ahead and remove it. We have a bunch of different ones. Couldn't find the time to delete them. This is your, YouTube channel. If you don't want Google Merchant or Google Business Profile or any of this, just uncheck them and click on next. If you have like a Google Merchant Center, you can go ahead and add it. Depends on what type of product you're selling, but you can go ahead and set it up yourself. But for now, I don't want any of this, so I'll just skip this and click on next. Now we're going to go ahead and set up our campaign because we've already set up our account. Now the next part is easy. All you got to do is just choose the advertising. So online sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, and awareness or consideration. So we want website traffic, right, to this site. We'll select that and click on next. You can choose whichever objective you want. Depends on you, but mostly it's going to be the same. Next over here, you can add some keywords or phrases to let people know what type of products you're selling or some services you offer. So make sure you add them over here. So for example, I'll type in YouTube and we'll go with voiceovers or editing. Okay, this one is under review because I think they didn't like it. So what I'll do is YouTube automation. Is that what it is? Can I? All right, I'll just get rid of that, but we'll keep it simple for now and click on next. And here we go. All right, so this is it. You can see right here, this is what the AI came up with, right? Pretty simple, looks pretty nice. Campaign optimization score 99. It did everything for us, so we could go with that. If we want to tweak it a little bit, we can tweak it a little bit, but it depends on you, right? But I think this is okay. So we'll click on generate assets, and now it's going to go ahead and set up the headlines. Everything, it'll do all of it on its own. Now, usually we had to do it. We had to come up with headlines. We had to go ahead and look at a bunch of different tools, but AI has been, helping a lot, and it does save you quite a lot of time. So you can see right here, headlines 15 out of 15, all long and short engaging headlines. These are the long headlines right here, and looks pretty cool, right? And these are the descriptions. We have images. We don't have images. We can upload the images over here. It'll come up with some suggestive images. If we have them on our website or on our Google Drive, it'll upload them on its own. But I think this is okay. So it looks pretty good. Here you can see this is the ad, how it would look like on YouTube. This is the ad if it were opened up in Gmail, and this is the open one. This is the closed one. So it's still loading up, so we'll go with that. This is how it would look like in Google search. So yeah, here we have logos. You can see right here, you'd have to upload a few logos for it to be optimized. Currently we don't have any, but yeah. And also upload a bunch of different images of your website, of your content, and once it's done, just simply hit the next button. You also have a call to action button if you want. So automated, download, sign up, apply now, get quote, or contact us button. I think a contact us button looks pretty nice, and then click on next. It depends on you. If you have some other form of content, let's say if you have a website or a subscription, you could go with sign up, apply now, or get quota. If you have subscribe option, download option, have an app, go with that. But I think this looks good. Click on next, and our campaign is ready. All of our ads are ready. Now all we got to do is select or create ads, right? So there is an issue over here. We do need to add images of our ad or our video, so keep that in mind. But I'll actually go ahead and upload one of my own. So we'll click over here. Here you can see you've got a bunch of different options. So I think this is okay. These are like the free stock ones, so we'll go with these ones. Click on save, and couldn't find any logos, so we can upload our own logo. But here we have the asset library, or we have the website or socials. If any logos available on your website, it'll pop up over there. But I think this is okay. Is it required? I mean, it is required, but let's go over onto Canva real quick and create one for us. All right, so I got a logo. I'm gonna upload it now. All right, I think it's uploaded. We should be good to go. Now it should appear over here. So suggested images, we can edit them over here. We have some all our own images over here. You have selected all 20 images. Yeah, that's fine. So logo has been added, right? Yeah, logo has been added. We don't have any videos, but Google will automatically create one in case. I do have some, but I don't know if it would look good. So we'll leave it as it is, but I think this is okay. Now, if you click on next, would it work? I think it should be good to go. There we go. So now set a bid for your, strategy. You could go with conversion or conversion value, or you can set a target per action, but then click on next. Then you set the budget, and you just simply add your payment info, and you enter the details, and you're good to go. Your campaign has been created. Your Google Ads account is ready as well. So that's how you do it. That's how you set up your Google Ads account. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.